2024 Mercedes-Benz GLA-Class sees incremental changes. The standard GLA 250 and its brawnier GLA 35 both have new styling and updated tech. Spring has sprung and Mercedes-Benz is celebrating by offering incremental improvements to the 2024 GLA-Class SUV. The luxurious little subcompact is getting enhanced powertrains, a tech update, and a minor facelift. The revised styling starts at the corners with new headlights and taillights. The front bumper and grille have also been tweaked. A new spectral blue metallic paint and three optional wheel designs have been added, keeping the exterior styling changes. Inside, a set of dual 10.3-inch screens, previously part of the premium package, now comes standard, with the infotainment system running the newest generation of MBUX software. With the infotainment system running the newest generation of MBUX software, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now available, and Mercedes has added an additional USB-C port with more charging power. The GLA class comes with two interior color choices, black and macchiato beige, though the more upscale AMG GLA-35 offers four interior colors to choose from. The 2024 GLA class is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that drives the front or all four wheels and makes 221 horsepower. It's paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission.